Anybody who takes a shower ought to have a handheld shower to get properly clean and get all those hard to reach spots, and they get rinsed out real good. For this project, you're going to need some Teflon tape, a pair of pliers, channel locks are best, and a rag to protect your chrome. To remove the old piece, turn counterclockwise. That's a pair of channel locks. Lefty loosey. There you go. It really does come off quite easily. Once you start it, you can take the rest of it off just by hand turning it. And then you want to wipe away any old plumber's putty or Teflon tape. Put the new Teflon tape around the threads. Go around twice for a best fit. And then take the new junction for the handheld shower. And you put that on by turning to your right. Righty-tighty. Hand tighten only. You can do a final turn with the pliers, but you just do not want to over tighten. All of the parts where you're screwing them into another part have a washer that goes with it. Make sure you put them in there. Just check your directions for the exact piece you have as to where your washers go. Usually they keep it simple with a picture. There we go, nicely lined up. And now on the bottom, we've already put the Teflon tape, but that's where the hose goes. And so you want to put some tape where the hose goes. Check that the washer is in that fitting. Hand tighten, and then tighten with pliers just a half turn or so. Once again, don't over tighten. Most of these junctions are made of plastic and you don't want to break it. And once again, probably going to tighten that with a half turn with the channel locks, just to make sure that it's going to have a nice leak-free connection. There we go. Just a nice light turn. Be gentle. What I'm doing there is I'm moving around how you position, how you want the hose to be. And in our house we have it so you can move it up and down, I mean back and forth and stuff, so that you can get just the right height. Put on the handle, you're ready to go. If you get leaks when you test it, you can carefully tighten with pliers in the areas that are leaking. There we go, we found a leak right there. So we're just lightly tightening it. Now we're going to test it. No leaks. It works great. That's kind of hard to see. There we go. Now you can see it and you can hear it. We're going to ask you to like and subscribe. And at the end of the video, you'll have some options to view some of our other videos. Please like and subscribe. And really, we like comments too. This is a quick project. Lots to choose from as far as makers of handhelds. It's a real great addition to any shower. Thanks.